Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We're going to be covering basically the overall view of your patent file application status and everything like that. So there are two main documents you're going to want to submit. One is going to be about your drawing and the other is going to be your patent specification. As for the drawings, I have made a video about it, and it will basically talk to you about the way you make the drawing. The drawing is going to be explaining the entirety of your patent per se, and you're going to be showing all the components and how it works and that kind of stuff. And your patent specification is going to have a lot more multiple parts, and I made videos for each of those parts, and it's going to be a very important document. You're going to be explaining the drawings, you're going to be explaining what your patent does, stuff like that. And essentially, these are the two main documents you need. And once you finish these two documents, you're basically set. You need to submit them to USPTO. I recommend you submit it through the online way, because if you turn it in through the in-person way, or not the in-person way, but if you mail it to them, like paper, they're going to have a paper fee. It's going to cost you extra, so I recommend you do it online. There is a video called E-File Your Patent, and you can check out that video. That video will teach you how to submit it online, and I would recommend you go through that way. But for the most part, that's about all your patent is, how to submit your patent. And once you're done with these two applications and you have submitted them, you'll basically be done. Your patent is now pending and you're basically set. I'll see you guys in the next video.